festival this year is being held in a hybrid format, offering an experience that is both in person as well as online. Many of the films will be screened, and even many members of the jury that has been selected will be judging the films online. As a result, it offers a wider reach, and you can watch all the films that will be screened from the comfort of your home. The International Film Festival of India always sees the best in cinema, stars here, converging on one platform to attend what is a wide-ranging, diverse and rich cinematic experience. This year too will be no different. The only difference is that some of the guests, some stars will be joining online. So let's take a look at who's attending and who is participating.
एक बहुत शान है केवल गोवा की नहीं देश की भी। कला संस्कृति का जीवन में बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट स्थान है और उसके अनुसार ये इतने फिल्में बन रही है, आ रही है। 200 से ज़्यादा फिल्में इस फिल्म महोत्सव में आई है। सब देखने को मिलेंगे, ऑनलाइन भी। ये इस बार नया और एक अवतार हुआ है, तो प्रत्यक्ष भी दिखेंगे 7 स्क्रीन पर और ऑनलाइन भी दिखेंगे। एंजॉय, और कहीं भी हो जरूर शामिल होइए इफी गोवा में।
Post pandemic, and we are inaugurating for the IFFI and the 51st IFFI के इस इनॉग्रल सेरेमनी के लिए मैं सभी जितने सारे गेस्ट यहाँ पे आए हैं उनका स्वागत करता हूँ। और मुझे डेफिनेटली लगता है कि आज से कोरोना वैक्सीनेशन स्टार्ट हुआ है, इससे आगे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री और बाकी सभी दुनिया में इकोनॉमी विल मूव, इकोनॉमी विल रोटेट।
ये फेस्टिवल ESG पिछले 16-17 सालों से करवा रहा है, तो हम लोगों को कई चीज़ें बिल्कुल पता है कैसी होती हैं। लेकिन इस बार चूँकि हाइब्रिड प्लेटफॉर्म था और साथ में चूँकि डिस्टेंस एट्सेट्रा जो प्रिकॉशन लेने हैं, उसकी वजह से काम की गति थोड़ी धीमी हो जाती है। तो इन चैलेंजेस को हम लोगों ने ओवरकम किया और उसको पूरा करके आप देख रहे हैं एक अच्छा फेस्टिवल मुझे लगता है देखने को मिलेगा। और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि फिजिकल स्क्रीनिंग भी हो रही है और साथ में ऑनलाइन स्क्रीनिंग भी हो रही है।
We have with us Bangladesh High Commissioner. Thank you so much, sir, for speaking to us. First of all, your first reactions to be part of the 51st edition of International Film Festival.
We as a Bangladeshi, and I as a Bangladeshi, feel honored for declaring Bangladesh as the focus country in this prestigious film festival. And this is a testimony of the relation of our two countries. And I thank the government of India and the film festival authorities for declaring Bangladesh as the focus country.
Sir, both the countries are also celebrating 50 years of their friendship. So how do you see cinema and cultural relations take this, strengthen this relation further?
Yeah, the feature films normally has a very good impact in our country. Especially it also portrays the history and culture and international relations, Bangladesh relations with other countries. And India is the closest neighbor, and India has helped us in our War of Liberation, which held in 1971 under the leadership of our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. So we are looking forward to have a much bigger interaction with India this year, and we're expecting a visit of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji during our Independence Day. We are going to celebrate in March 26th in Dhaka.
Thank you so much, and all the best to you.
Thank you.
We have with us Mr. Sudeep. So welcome to IFFI Goa.
IFFI 51st edition is different in every aspect. First of all, your reactions on taking part in this edition, and it's a special edition this time.
Hi everyone. First of all, I think it's wonderful that there is something happening finally. You know, after a huge lockdown and everybody refusing to still step out. I guess IFFI deserves an applaud for that. That, you know, and all the people who are involved today have actually stepped out, and they're making it happen. I think that itself is a huge thing, and of course it has its own history. Me being here, I think it's an honor.
We have with us Mr. Priyadarshan, needs no introduction. Sir, first of all, your first reactions in IFFI 51st edition.
Of course, difficult times have crossed 1 year. All over the world, the entertainment has suffered. Definitely, the cinema also has suffered a lot. Definitely, I think this is a very, very good encouragement for the filmmakers and the people who love movies, that we are not afraid. We are going ahead. We just want to make sure that Indians have the guts to go forward, whatever happens in the world. And we continue with whatever the best has happened in this country. So is IFFI.
Right. So IFFI is a platform where the whole country becomes one family and connecting through cinema. How do you say in your words?
Come on, we are the country living in unity and diversity. And that too, that happens in movies also. There's so many regional languages like Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Hindi, Bhojpuri. So again, unity in diversity, that's what we call it in cinema also. And definitely all the industries have suffered a lot, and we are slowly fighting and getting out of it. That's what I said, IFFI is the biggest encouragement.
We have with us Araken from Argentina. Welcome to India and IFFI's 51st edition, Araken. First thoughts in your mind taking part in the 51st edition?
Actually, I'm very excited about being here. It's in this year of all. So yeah, I'm very excited to leave the country for once in the whole year and to be able to come here. It's a great honor, and I'm very happy to be here actually.
Right. Tell us something about Indian cinema. How do you like Indian cinema? How we connect with you through cinema?
Whoa, was not prepared for that question. I think all cinema. I don't really separate from countries. I mean, if you look at the list of all the countries involved, I was just doing that, and every movie has many countries involved. So I don't really make a difference in that sense.
Right.
So,
how do you see the film festivals a platform where people connect with each other through cinema, and the cultural ties they get strong through this medium?
I love it. I love it. I think this is one of the main reasons we do this. It's a very hard thing to do, to make a movie. We took almost 6 years to make ours. So this is where everything paid off, where you can meet colleagues from around the world and yes, to enjoy our work. This is why we do it.
Right. All right. Thank you so much for joining with us and talking to us, and enjoy your stay and enjoy IFFI 51st edition.
Thank you very much.
Due to COVID considerations, as we were telling you, the festival is being organized in a hybrid format. The National Film Development Corporation, that is a very important part of the festival, will be participating this time too. Let's take a look at what NFDC has to offer for the 51st edition.
Honorable Shri Prakash Javadekar, with the press of the button, you will be inaugurating the NFDC Film Bazaar for this year. So, sir, could you please do the honors?
chief guest at the opening ceremony of the 51st edition of the International Film Festival of India was Kicha Sudeep, popularly known as Sudeep or Shri Sudeep Sanjeev, who has completed 25 illustrious years in cinema. And he inaugurated the festival on stage with Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting Prakash Javadekar and other eminent dignitaries.
फिल्म के प्यारे और फिल्म पर मन से प्यार करने वाले यहाँ आए हैं, उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाओ। इस साल की विशेषता कैसी है देखो, ये शुरू हुआ वर्ष 2020 कोरोना बीमारी से। जनवरी में आया था बीमारी भारत में, लेकिन मनुष्य की ताकत, प्रतिभा, बुद्धि, इच्छा ऐसी होती है कि हर संकट को, चुनौती को मात देने का एक मन में अभंग विश्वास होता है। और उसके कारण 2021 के जनवरी में आज वैक्सीनेशन शुरू हो गया। ये मनुष्य के लड़ाई की कहानी है। भारत जीतेगा, कोरोना हारेगा। और मैं अभी आपको आमंत्रण कर रहा हूं कि नवंबर में 52वां ईफी जब शुरू होगा 16 नवंबर को, तब आप पिछले साल जैसा पूरा खचाखच भरा हुआ और तालियों की गूंज कभी समाप्त नहीं होगी, ऐसा एक फिल्म फेस्टिवल फिर से हम देंगे, ये भी मुझे पूरा विश्वास है। भारत के भी 190 फिल्में आई, उसमें से 23 पैनोरामा में दिखाई जाएगी। जैसे इस साल कहा हाइब्रिड है, ऑनलाइन भी है, ऑफलाइन भी है। 7 थिएटर में फिल्में दिखेगी, लेकिन ऑनलाइन तो हर एक के लिए खुला है। आज यहाँ बांग्लादेश हमारा को-होस्ट है, हमारा पार्टनर है। और बांग्लादेश के मोहम्मद इमरान जी को मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, बांग्लादेश और भारत का सहयोग इतना पूरा है कि शेख मुजीबुर रहमान के जन्मशती के वर्ष में उनको सही श्रद्धांजलि देने के लिए भारत और बांग्लादेश मिलकर एक बंगबंधु नाम की फिल्म बना रहे हैं और जल्दी ही फिल्म तैयार होगी, उसका भी प्रसारण होगा। हम हमेशा इस मौके पर एक इंडियन पर्सनालिटी ऑफ ईयर, इस साल की एक महान हस्ती जिसको हम देते हैं, जो फिल्म से पूरे जुड़े हैं। और इस बार मुझे खुशी है कि इस साल का इंडियन पर्सनालिटी ऑफ द ईयर पुरस्कार बहुत प्रसिद्ध एक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर, डायरेक्टर, सिंगर इन हिंदी एंड बंगाली सिनेमा श्री विश्वजीत चैटर्जी को दिया जाता है। उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाइए। मेरे सनम याद करिए, नाइट इन लंदन याद करिए, शहनाई याद करिए, बहुत सारी फिल्में। तो एक बहुत महान हस्ती जिनका और भी गौरव हो सकता है, उनके लिए ये इंडियन पर्सनालिटी ऑफ द ईयर पुरस्कार दिया जाएगा। और ये पुरस्कार उनको प्रत्यक्ष जब फिल्म अवार्ड मार्च में या अप्रैल में होगा, तब ये पुरस्कार उनको दिया जाएगा। ये पहली मेरी पुरस्कार की घोषणा है। और अंत में मैं एक घोषणा करना चाहता हूं कि दैट द लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड इस साल वित्तिरियो स्टोरारो इनको दिया गया है। इनको सिनेमाटोग्राफी के 3 ऑस्कर्स मिले हैं।
This event is an wave looks the world of a global film industry from Goa. Our country focus this year is a neighboring country, the Bangladesh. We have the great confluence on the filmmakers and enthusiasts from across the world, thereby making the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the Indian philosophy of the universal brotherhood, a reality. I'm happy to inform that, and we are conducting the event in a hybrid format. That is, and we will have the movie screening in the auditorium as well as on the online mode. The registration is nearly the 2,200 delegates and screening of nearly 200 movies in a physical format. They're really pleasant to sign the kickstart of this event.
Cinema, along with sports, I think is one fraternity which has connected each and every one, and that's the reason all of us are here. I can only say let cinema be the new corona and let it be the new pandemic. Let it all connect together. I read once somewhere that roam the world, read all the sacred scriptures. I think cinema is one fraternity which gets you both in one seat. It takes you all around the world, gets you the knowledge, gets you closer to the culture of every fraternity across the world. Thank you for having me here.
Every International Film Festival of India, ever since the founding of the film festival in 1952, has always had an eminent jury panel. This year too, it's not different for the 51st edition. An eminent jury panel headed by Pablo Cesar of Argentina, and including in its midst some of the best filmmakers and members of the film fraternity from across the world. Rubaiyat Hussain of Bangladesh, Abu Bakr Shauki of Austria, and many more names. Let's take a look.
Mr. Prakash Javadekar, Minister of Information and Broadcasting. Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Pramod Sawant. Festival Director, Mr. Chaitanya Prasad. Honorable members of the official jury, respectful members of the festival staff, dear International Film Festival of India public. It is a great honor for me to be part of this official jury, made up of such prominent personalities from universal culture. It is also a great honor to be the chairman of the 51 International Film Festival jury. You all know how much love I have for this festival that I have known since 1994. India is a wonderful universe that allows us to continue dreaming day by day, because we know that everything is possible in India. We are sure that with art and science, the world will be able to move forward after this very special moment that humanity is experiencing. Directly or indirectly, we are invited to look inside ourselves and therefore make some change, and that some revelation may occur. Dear friends, welcome to this 51st edition of the International Film Festival of India. Svagat hi.
The opening film for the 51st edition of IFFI is Another Round. Released in 2020, this film is a drama comedy and has been directed by Thomas Winterberg and has achieved a lot of acclaim worldwide. We share with you a few glimpses to tell you why it is so special.
Jeg har hele tiden synes, det var fint, at I eksperimenterede alt muligt, men det her, det er ordentligt.
Jeg går ikke ud fra, at der er nogen her, der har et problem, jeg skal vide noget om.
Hello, India. Here's a greeting from Copenhagen, from director Thomas Winterberg. You're about to watch my new film, Another Round. As a starting point, this was a pure celebration of alcohol. But meanwhile, it has grown into something bigger than that, hopefully a celebration of life. I hope you will enjoy this film, and I'm sending my best greetings from Copenhagen, Denmark.
For the 51st edition of the International Film Festival of India, the country of focus is Bangladesh. This segment, as always, it features the best of cinematic experience, showcasing cinematic excellence of a particular country. This year, that honor goes to Bangladesh. 4 films from Bangladesh: Jibon Dhuli, Megh Malar, Under Construction, and Sincerely Yours Dhaka will be offered to viewers to enjoy.
পেশা
কান্না ধারার দোলা তুমি থামতে দিলে না যে।
First of all, let me register our deep appreciation to the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, for choosing Bangladesh as country in focus in this prestigious International Film Festival of India. Apart from recognition of the creativity and ingenuity of filmmakers of Bangladesh, it is also a testimony of the depth of relations and the historic bond between the two neighboring countries, Bangladesh and India. Bangladesh became independent in 1971 after decades of a struggle of autonomy and independence movement and a 9-month-long sanguinary war of liberation led by our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. We are grateful to the government and people of India for all-out moral and material support that we received from them during our difficult time. Feature films in Bangladesh have always been a highly popular form of mass entertainment as well as a vehicle of portraying the unique culture and glorious history of the nation. Our independence movement and the war of liberation remain as a continuous source of inspiration for the filmmakers who have brought honor for the country from abroad through their talented and internationally acclaimed productions. To encourage quality filmmaking, the government has been extending financial support, announcing regular film awards, and has set up modern film laboratory complex. I am confident that the films of Bangladeshi filmmakers, which have been selected for screening in this festival, will reflect the high standard of their works.
Majmai Kolkata to make sure that the festival goes in the right direction. More so because it was a hybrid festival for the first time. And this is also an example, ladies and gentlemen, for the entire international community as to how a festival can be done physically as well as virtually, because we always believed, yes, we can. That is something very important. What this festival has taught us is how do we use content and technology, how do we weave it together with programming. And, ladies and gentlemen, the response has been awesome. Honorable Minister spoke of the kind of response we received internationally. It was unbelievable. All I can say, ladies and gentlemen, is that it was a very calibrated approach which helped us succeed, if you call it success. And why not? We are extremely proud. As the Honorable Minister said, 2021, we begin with a very positive note. We take the process forward of cinema being a celebration of excellence.
From the best in national and international cinema to retrospective cinema that has made a mark that has been immortalized on celluloid, the 51st edition of IFFI has it all. A wide-ranging, rich and diverse cinematic viewing experience. So do tune in for each and every session for a wonderful viewing experience. Tune in at this hour to DD India for our special feature. That's all in this edition. Namaskar.